All right.
Hi, I am Michael Galley. I'm a Royal Diamond in Nikan, and I'm having a great time in the Bahamas. Today is one day after my birthday that I had the pleasure in spending it with ball tennis, and really life could not be any better because of these amazing technologies and because of the lifestyle that we can afford us to do. It is really a unique business, a unique company, and I'm eternally grateful to be able to help so many people. And had it not been for Nikan, we wouldn't have made hundreds and thousands of friends that are benefiting from what we have. It's the best gift that we're able to give it to them, and the rewards are just immense. Why? Because of the concept of this company and their vision and where this company is going with these amazing energy products. And everybody who would be listening to this really should be looking at what we have, because nothing out there can even come close to what Nikan has to offer to anybody. It is just a beautiful opportunity for people to inquire, investigate, and discover, because it is a good thing. It is a good feeling business. It is a dream business, and we just love it very much. And thank you, Nikan. Thank you all our support team, from Bo to Ihor to Bruce Black. Those guys really have helped us, and of course all our team, all the leaders that we have who are building because of the passion that they have for what Nikan really has to offer. And today it's a global business, and we are just so grateful that we have so many people who are part of our family all over the world. And bless you all, and looking forward to seeing you on the Nikan Highway.